How to create a FAQ section in AlluraXR. To create a FAQ section in AlluraXR, begin by opening your page editor. Click on Add New Section. This action opens the section editor in a modal window, where the hero section is selected by default. From the list of available sections, scroll down and select FAQ section. Once selected, you'll need to link it to a specific page by choosing the page from the dropdown. Now, you'll see the section content with placeholders, a title, subtitle, and multiple question and answer items. You can click on the prompt generator, the button with a star icon, to generate a prompt that will help you create a contextual section based on the previous information you provided about your company. When the pop-up window opens, copy the generated prompt and paste it into any AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini. This will help you move faster in the process. Click on the section title to edit it. For example, type frequently asked questions. Then update the subtitle to provide a short explanation for the section, such as get quick answers to the most common questions. Next, go through each FAQ item. Click on the question to type your own and update the answer in the field below it. You can't rearrange items or customize styling at this stage. Styling is handled automatically for consistency. Once you've filled in all the content, click Save to save the section. The modal will close. Back on the main interface, locate the sections accordingly, where you'll see the list of all created pages and their linked sections. Click View Normal to preview the page layout and ensure your FAQ section appears under the correct page. If everything looks good, click Save Merge Pages to integrate the section into the final page structure. Now, publish your section and click Live to see it on the live site. Navigate to the page where the section was added. Scroll to the FAQ section and test it. Clicking on a question will expand or collapse the corresponding answer, giving users a clean, interactive experience. Your FAQ section is now live and fully functional.